What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today real quick I would like to give you guys a little update. So I don't know if you guys remember, the last case I was using for my X58 build was the Freckle Design Define R4 case. I kind of painted the case from black to white. Now I picked up a new case, NZXT Source 220. It's a great case guys, but I'm having some problem. Also I'm having problem with the build. So let me just share with you guys real quick. So as you can see, I have the build right here. Okay. Now the problem I'm having, I can only use 2 RAM stick. So as you can see, first 2, I can only use 2. I have like altogether like 10 gigs of RAMs, but as you can see, 2 sticks right here, the 2 gigs and 2 gigs, and all this other ones I can't use. So I don't know why. I did the I did the BIOS to default. I reset the BIOS to default, and I also what they call CMOS. I reset that. I reset everything. You know, I took the CMOS battery and everything. Nothing seems to be working. But with two RAM stick, it works perfectly fine. But I'm only getting like 4 gigs of RAM. So for gaming and stuff, it's perfectly fine. Like 4 gigs is good enough for like game like Battlefield 4 and stuff. But if you're planning on playing like GTA 5 or anything, then good luck. And also I picked up a Cooler Master, as you can see, T4. Let me show you guys the box. So I also picked up a Cooler Master Hyper T4. Now the reason I had to pick up a Cooler Master Hyper T4, now with the Hyper 212 I can close the door, okay? So I can, because the Hyper 212 is little sticks out right here. So Hyper 210, if you guys are planning on picking up a NZXT the Source 220, make sure you remember you can feed a Cooler Master Hyper 212 in NZXT Source 210. The reason, because of the height. So Hyper 212 is little taller than the Hyper T4, so I had to go with the Hyper T4. The reason, you guys might be thinking, how you know? Because I did pick up a Hyper 212 and it didn't work. So just letting you guys know, because it's the same mistake I made. I didn't know. I had a Hyper 212 laying around, and I'm like, oh, you know what? I'm just gonna install that. And when I received this case and I installed everything, and then I see I can't close the door. Like, there's no way you can close the. Let me show you guys. It kind of looks cool though. Okay, you guys gotta wait. So, as you can see, nice. So yeah. So other than that, the system running good. As you guys know, I'm running a GTX 970. I picked it up for $150. But I'm thinking the motherboard is no good, because those 2 of the RAM stick is not only the 2 of the RAM stick only working, and the 4 the RAM slots are not working. So I don't know what's going on. If I try to install any RAM in those other slots, what happened, basically the system wouldn't boot up. So yeah, so remember, if you pick up an NZXT Source 220 case, you can install a Hyper 212 cooler in it. Okay, so remember, you can only go with the Hyper T4. Now I know the 212, I prefer a 212 because 212 performs a little better than the T4. So yeah guys, just want to keep you guys in the loop and give you guys an update. But other than that, I love the system guys. As you guys know, I have a white build chilling right here. Okay, that's my X99 with the GTX 1070 and i7 6800K. And this one basically my backup. Okay, this setup basically for my backup. Now with this processor I have in there, W3530, renders video and everything, because it's a quad core with hyperthread. So sometime the system, like when you're rendering stuff, it kind of like 8 core, it works like something like an 8 core, like, yeah. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions, leave in the comment below, and that should be it. Peace.